Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open calculator using run command. So guys, if you want to open calculator using run command, so very easy. Firstly, window key plus R key type, window key plus R key type here CALC. After click on OK. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Firstly, window key plus R key type here CALC. Click on OK. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open calculator using run command. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.